Have you been staring in the mirror lately, seriously considering dropping hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars on intense aesthetic treatments, chemical peels, or even cosmetic surgery? Stop right there. Put the credit card away. If you are even remotely considering taking those drastic, expensive steps, there is one critical, non-negotiable step you absolutely cannot miss first. Honestly, once you master this one fundamental thing, you might realize you never needed those expensive, painful treatments to begin with. That missing link is your daily skincare routine. But I'm not talking about the overwhelming, trendy routines you see all over social media. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly what actually works, what useless products you can finally ditch, and the precise, streamlined system you need in this 2026 to take your skin to the next level. Welcome back to Czarina Beauty Home, your ultimate sanctuary for flawless skin, inner wellness, and undeniable confidence. I am so thrilled to have you here today. In the skincare world, we see so many fads come and go, but the science of healthy skin remains the same. Today, we are building your bulletproof regimen. But before we start layering on products, we have to uncover the truth about what your skin actually wants. Because if you get this first step wrong, everything else will be a waste of time and money. Stick with me, because the secret I'm about to share will completely change how you view your face forever. When you are starting a new skincare routine or fixing a broken one, the single most important thing you must do is figure out your actual skin type and prepare yourself, because it may deeply surprise you to know that there are essentially only two main different types of skin. I know you're probably thinking, only two? What about combination? What about sensitive? But fundamentally, at a structural level, you fall into one of two camps, an oily skin type or a dry skin type. Now, the reason there is so much confusion in the beauty community is because everybody, whether you are dry or oily, can experience dehydration or sensitivity. Dehydration is a condition, not a skin type. So, which core type are you? Here is a foolproof, incredibly simple test that you can do at home right now to find out. I want you to go wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Pat it dry, and then this is the crucial part: do not put anything on your skin. No toners, no serums, no moisturizers, just bare skin. Now set a timer and wait for exactly 10 minutes. Pay close attention to what happens next. After 10 minutes, if your skin starts to feel dry, if it feels tight when you smile, or if it even starts to feel slightly irritated and itchy, you almost certainly have a dry skin type. Other hallmark signs of dry skin are that you probably have no visible pores, you rarely or never ever get acne breakouts, and sometimes your skin can appear a bit thin or fragile. Now let's look at the opposite end of the spectrum: oily skin. If, after you've done that 10-minute test, your skin is looking shiny, particularly on your forehead, nose, and chin, you often have visible, larger pores, and you occasionally or frequently get breakouts, this is a glaring sign that you have oily skin. But as I mentioned earlier in this video, any skin type, whether naturally oily or naturally dry, can suffer from dehydration. This is the massive revelation that explains why your skin might be breaking out, yet simultaneously feeling flaky and tight. You don't have dry skin. You have oily skin that is desperately dehydrated from harsh products. Now that you've unlocked the truth about your skin type, it's time to build your defense. Coming up next, I am going to reveal a morning routine so simple, yet so powerful, it will shield your face from the elements that cause premature aging. Keep watching, because this will cut your morning prep time in half while doubling your glow. The morning routine: less is more. So now you know what type of skin you have. Let's get into the actual practical application of your skincare routine. There are strictly just 5 steps to building a phenomenal, world-class skincare routine. The number one mistake that people make, the thing that absolutely destroys their skin barrier and sets them back months, is having a chaotic 10 or 15-step routine loaded with conflicting skincare acids. Applying layer after layer of harsh chemicals is something you just shouldn't do. Pare it back. Start fresh with just these essential steps. Your first step in the morning is your cleanse. That is literally just washing your face. And in the morning, you only need to wash your face once. You do not need to double or triple cleanse when you wake up. Just wash it once to remove the sweat and oils from the night. Even if you have oily skin, one gentle wash is more than enough. Immediately after cleansing, while your skin is still slightly damp, you are going to apply an antioxidant. Why? Because antioxidants are the superheroes that break down free radicals. Free radicals are these highly energized, unstable particles that attach to your skin throughout the day. They are generated by city pollution, harsh chemical products, extreme weather, and most intensely, by the sun's UV rays. When these free radicals ping around, On your face, they cause invisible microscopic irritation. Over time, that underlying irritation leads to chronic dryness, dullness, premature fine lines, wrinkles, and stubborn dark pigmentation. You can completely neutralize this daily attack by applying an antioxidant. Look for a high-quality niacinamide serum, or even better, a potent vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is an absolutely brilliant ingredient to add right after your morning cleanse to brighten and protect. Next up is your moisturizer. And remember that 10-minute test we did? You are going to pick your moisturizer based exclusively on those results. If you discovered you are oily, you must go with an oil-free, lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. A gel-based formula is usually perfect. But if your skin proved to be dry, your skin can handle and actually needs something much thicker, richer, and even more emollient to lock in hydration. The final, absolute non-negotiable step in your morning routine is your sunscreen. This is the key to everything. Without this, your expensive serums are useless. Go for a sun protection factor of 30 or above. During the summer, or if you live in a perpetually hot climate, you must upgrade to factor 50, a fantastic option. That has taken the skincare world by storm is the beauty of Joseon Sun Relief Rice and Probiotic Sunscreen. It is effortlessly easy to use, it leaves absolutely no white cast, it has no strong chemical smell, and it goes on feeling exactly like a luxurious moisturizer. When applying, remember the golden rule: use 2 full finger lengths of product. That is the exact amount required to properly cover your full face, your neck, and equally the tops of your ears. With sunscreens, the market is flooded with options, so finding one that perfectly matches your skin type is crucial. And if you struggle with dark marks, hyperpigmentation, or melasma, I have an incredible hack for you. You need to look out for a tinted sunscreen. Tinted sunscreens contain iron oxides, which offer a physical shield against visible light, the kind of light that makes dark spots worse. Brands like Merit have gorgeous tinted options, with extensive shade ranges. But what if you've tried tinted sunscreens and they always leave you looking ashy, gray, or mismatched? Here is the ultimate Czarina Beauty Home secret. Just use your regular, clear sunscreen. Apply your 2 full finger lengths. Let it set for a moment. Then, over the top, apply your favorite daily foundation or concealer. Any makeup product that offers coverage, your setting powder, your BB cream, your concealer, or your foundation contains those magical iron oxides. By layering your makeup over your regular SPF, you instantly will be creating a custom match, makeshift tinted sunscreen. You get all the protection against hyperpigmentation without having to buy an extra product that doesn't match your skin tone. You have now built an impenetrable shield for the day, but what about repairing the damage that has already been done? The real cellular turnover happens while you sleep. Do not click away, because in this final section, I am going to reveal the exact nighttime ingredients you need to erase dark spots and smooth out wrinkles while you dream. The night routine targeted repair at nighttime. Your routine is going to look very similar to the morning, but with a specific focus on active repair. You are going to start by thoroughly washing your skin. Since you have been wearing sunscreen, makeup, and accumulating dirt all day, this is the time you might want to do a thorough cleanse to ensure your canvas is perfectly clean. If you love using a hydrating toner, you can gently pat that step in right now. Then, the absolute game changer. In your nighttime routine is going to be your active serum. Your nighttime serum is going to change depending entirely on what specific issue your skin needs fixing. If your primary concern is dark marks, hyperpigmentation, or acne scarring, you are going to look out for ingredients like arbutin, kojic acid, or tranexamic acid. These specific compounds are phenomenal at diving deep into the skin and breaking down that excess melanin pigment. If your main issue is redness, rosacea, or inflammation, you need to look for an azelaic acid product. It is incredibly soothing and helps to drastically calm down that flush. And if your core issue is fine lines, texture, or if you want to rapidly speed up cellular turnover to reveal fresh, baby-soft skin, then you need a retinol or retinol product. Retinoids are the absolute gold standard in anti-aging. There are so many phenomenal products on the market now that can target your exact needs. Just remember, only pick one active serum to use per night. Do not mix and match all of them at once, or you will damage that precious skin barrier. Finally, lock it all in at nighttime, because you aren't going out into the elements. You can afford to use something that's a little bit more deeply moisturizing, something much more luxurious. A beautiful, affordable option is the ordinary natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid. It is absolutely lovely, especially if your skin falls into that dry skin category. It glides on beautifully, It's not suffocatingly heavy, and it acts like a plush cushion, sealing all those active ingredients into your skin so they can work their magic overnight. So let's bring it all together. Building the ultimate, foolproof skincare routine is entirely within your reach. You start off by identifying your true skin type. Then your morning defense consists of a gentle cleanser, a powerful antioxidant like vitamin C, a moisturizer tailored perfectly to whether you are oily or dry, and a generous two-finger application of sunscreen. In the evening, you focus on repair, you cleanse the day away, you target your specific concerns with a powerful active serum, whether that's kojic acid for pigmentation, azelaic acid for redness, or retinol for fine lines, and you seal it all in with a rich, luxurious moisturizer. Skincare is not about perfection. It is about consistency. If you follow this streamlined, science-backed routine consistently, without getting distracted by a million new trends, your skin will absolutely thank you. You won't just see a glow today. You are building the foundation for flawless, resilient skin for years and years to come. You might just find you never need to step foot in a cosmetic clinic again. If you found this video helpful and you are ready to take control of your glow, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to join the Czarina Beauty Home family. It was absolutely lovely spending this time with you, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.